Today we are discussing about numeric functions. Under numeric functions, scalar category. What is a scalar function? It will executing on single value or group of values. But finally, if it is executing on n number of values, it will print the n number of output values. So that's why scalar functions are executing at record level. Why record level? If 100 records are there, then 100 output values are generated. That's why scalar functions are also known as record level functions. Now, first function, it's very simple functions. ABS. If you have a negative value and if you want to convert the negative value into positive value, use ABS. ABS stands for absolute. See, here this is the negative value I am giving. Positive value is printed. Mod of m comma n, remainder value it will calculate. M is divided by n, and after m divided by n, whatever the remainder value is there, that remainder value printed by mod. In Oracle, we don't have any operator to print remainder. We should use only mod function only. Here, mod of 17 comma 3. What is the remainder? 2. Next, power of m comma n. M to the power of nth value it will print. M to the power of nth value. See, power 5 power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. The answer is 125. Next, sqrt of n, square root value of given value. Square root value of given value. SQRT of 64 from Jewel. Then it is printing 8. Let me show you that examples. Hold a moment. Layout. Okay. So what is ABS? Select ABS of minus 90 from Jewel. It will print the given negative value as positive value. Suppose if you are giving expression 6, if you are giving some expression 60 minus 90, actual result is minus 30, but it will print only 30. Why? Minus 30 result is going to ABS. ABS convert negative value into positive value. Next, select mod of m comma n. Suppose 14 comma 5 from dual. It will print a reminder. It is printing reminder. Okay, fine. Suppose if it is minus 14, then what is the remainder? Minus 4. Don't worry about it. Next, power. Power of 5 comma 4 from dual. 625 is the answer. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, 625. Next function is square root. See, what is the square root value? SQRT of 81 from dual. Square root value it will display. So these are very simple functions. Now we are discussing somewhat different. That is, its most important functions from here. Round. From here, every function is important. Round. Round of m comma n. What is the use of this? It will display m value, given value. This is given value. It will display given value by rounding up the value up to this number of decimal places. Again, it will display given value after rounding this value up to this number of decimal places. Suppose, see, this is your result. This is your result. Here, I don't need 6 digits after decimal place. How many digits after decimal place? 6 digits. So I need only 2 digits after decimal place. I need only 2 digits. How can I truncate or round up the value up to 2 digits? Round off. This is my given value or column value, comma. Round this value up to 2 digits in the decimal part. Round this value up to 2 digits in the decimal part. So 2 digits means after decimal point, how many digits you need? 2 digits. These 2 digits will be printed. But remember, before printing second digit, before printing last digit, it will verify next digit also. If next digit is greater than or equal to 5, if next digit is greater than or equal to 5, then it will increase the required digit by 1. What is the required digit? Last digit you need second digit. So before printing second digit, it will verify third digit. If third digit is greater than or equal to 5, it will increase the second digit by 1. Here, third digit is not greater than 5, not equal to 5. So it is not making any increments to the second digit. As it easily second digit is printed. Next, see, next function, same round function. I need only one decimal digit. I need only one digit after decimal point. Means actual digit is 3. But before printing first decimal digit, it will verify next digit. What is next digit? 5. 5 greater than or equal to 5 greater than or equal to 5. So it will increase required last digit by 1. What is the last digit? 3. I need first digit 3. Okay. 3 plus 1. So it is printing 1263.4. So I don't need any decimal digits. Means 0 number of digits after decimal point. 0 number of digits after decimal point. So it will remove decimal part. It will remove decimal part. Before removing decimal part, how many digits you need? 0. It will verify next digit. What is the next digit? First digit after decimal point. If first digit after decimal point is greater than or equal to 5, then the previous digit is incremented by 1. But here it is not greater than 5 and also not equal to 5. It is not making any increments. But here only m value you are giving. Only m value. You are not giving n value. How many number of digits after decimal point? You are not specifying that. In such a case, in such a case, by default it will take 0 digits. If you write 0, then it is considered as 0 digits after decimal point. If you don't write n value, then also it will consider 0 number of digits after decimal point. So it will consider 0 digits. So it is trying to eliminate this part. Before truncating, before rounding this with 0 number of digits, it will verify next digit. What is the next digit? 5. 5 greater than or equal to 5. Condition true. Then the previous digit incremented by 1. Now it is becoming as 10. 9 is becoming as 10. Means 1270. So hope you understand this. Let me execute. What is the use of round function? Round function is used to display given value which is rounded to the n number of decimal places. So 2 digits as it is printed. If you need 1 digit, it will increase the first decimal digit by 1. Since next decimal digit is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, fine. Next one, I don't need any decimal digits. 0, 1, 2, 6, 3. Okay. Suppose 1, 2, 5, 5. And hold a moment. Who told you it is about the 16th class? Okay, anyway, I will give you the reply at the end of the class. Okay, see here. So if you are giving 0 digits, I don't need any digits. But after the decimal point, you are having 5. Okay, I am not writing 0 or anything. If you don't write 0 or anything, by default it will consider 0 number of decimal digits. 0 number of decimal points. See, because before truncating, before rounding this value with 0 decimal digits, it will verify next digit. If next digit is greater than or equal to 5, the previous digit is incremented by 1. That is what happened here.
Sir,
Now,
if it is
yes,
454, what will get output?
4,
One.
5, 4.
Uh,
Here,
mm,
one moment. 4, 5, 4 you are talking about. Then you
yes.
will get 1, 2, 6, 3. 1, 2, 6, 3 only.
Oh,
Because you don't need any decimal digit. What is the last decimal digit? It is
4.
not greater than 5, not equal to 5. So it will not make any increments to the next digit. Now, I am explaining about a special case. What is the special case? Some interviewers are wantedly asking this question. Be careful. If I use -1, what will happen? You are rounding up in the decimal part. Can I round up in the integral part also? Can I round up the value in the integral part also? Yes. Here n value should be negative. If n is positive, in the round function will take two arguments. Remember, round function is taking two arguments. One is value, another one is n, number of decimal digits. If n is positive, value is rounded in decimal part. If n is negative, then value is rounded in integral part. Remember, again I'm repeating, n is positive, then value rounded in decimal part. If n is negative, value is rounded in integral part. See here, how many digits you want to round up in the integer part? One digit. This is the first position digit. This digit is rounded. Rounded means it is made as a 0. It was made as a 0. Before making this as a 0, before making this as a 0, it will verify, is this greater than or equal to 5? No. If it is greater than or equal to 5, then previous digit incremented by 1. If it is not greater than or equal to 5, it will not make any increments. See here, 1260. 1260. Okay. Now 3 is made as a 0. Suppose if I am using n is minus 2, means in the integral part make 2 digits as 00. Before making second digit as 0, identify second digit is greater than or equal to 5. Yes. Then third digit is incremented by 1. 1300 is printed. So here one important interview question. If in the round function n for nano, n is positive, then decimal part is rounded. N is negative, then integral part is rounded. This is you should remember compulsory. Okay. Next function, same but trunk. What is the function name? Truncate. It is similar to round, but round is always verify next value. Round is always verify next value before printing the result. But trunk never verify next value. Never verify next value. Only it will print whatever the result you need. See, actually 1263 that is printed as 1300. But here 1200. See, only it is truncating 2 digits in the integral part. Only it is truncating 2 digits in the integral part. It is even, see, second digit is greater than or equal to 5. Still, it is not making any increments. It is not making any increments. So what is the difference between trunk and round? Both are same. Round function always verify next position value. If the next position value greater than or equal to 5, it will make increment to the required position. Whereas trunk will never make any increments. It will never make any verifications to the next value. Remaining everything is same. Hold a moment. Suppose this is your value. If I use round function, suppose round function, what is the expected value? Listen, 1263.554123. How many decimal digits you need? We don't need any decimal digit. It will print 4. Why? Because round is verifying next position digit. Suppose if I use a trunk, it will print 1263 only, since it is not verifying any next digit. Hope you understand, all of you. So round and trunk functions are useful to display given value that is rounded to the specified number of decimal places. Next, floor. Next one is floor. What is floor? Floor and seal. I am explaining both of them. Floor means low value, means down value. Seal means seal, up value. Flooring, ceiling. Flooring means down, ceiling means up. Floor and seal, both functions will print integer. Again, floor and seal functions will print integer result. Result should be integer. There is no decimal value. You are giving a value. If the value not integer, if your given value is not integer, then floor function will display lower value than given value. Immediate lower integer than given value. Again, floor function, seal functions display only integers. See here, only integers, no decimal part. Okay, next. Now I am explaining about floor. What is floor? Lower value. What is seal? Upper value. See, I am giving one value and you are applying floor function. It will print it will print lower integer, that is immediate after the given value. Again, floor function verify given value is integer or not. It is not integer. So what is its target? Its target is to print integer. Its target is to print integer. Okay. Now floor function will print immediate integer below or equal to given value. Immediate integer below or equal to given value. See, given value, no chance. It's a decimal. What is the target of floor or seal? Integer. Okay. Integer. Above we have integers, below we have integers. Floor function will print below integer. Which below integer? So many below integers. 1263, 1262, 1261, 1260, 1259. All are integers or not? From these integers, which integer will be printed? No. See, trunk or suppose trunk is there. Trunk is printing exactly whatever the digits are there. But seal, see, it is printing, suppose trunk is printing this part only. By using trunk, can I print this part also? Yes. By using trunk, can I print some digits in decimal part? Yes. But is it possible uh, by using floor? Not possible. Floor function only print integer part. And seal function only print integer which is above given decimal value. But trunk cannot print any value above the given value. Trunk is also able to print a decimal part, but floor and seal functions are not able to print a decimal part. So don't think about trunk and floor seal are equal. Okay, floor function print an integer, immediate integer which is below or equal to given value. Seal function, it will print immediate integer above or equal to given value. See, select floor of 10.757523 from Jewel. Given value integer or not integer? Not integer. If given value not integer, floor function print immediate integer which is below given value. Below given value, immediate integer 10. Suppose trunk. If you are applying trunk here, trunk function is truncating the value with the specified number of decimal digits. We are not writing any decimal digits, so it will eliminate the decimal part. Here you are expecting trunk and floor are both are same. No, don't say like that. It is different. Here, what is my target is I need 4 digits after decimal place. Can I print this answer by using floor function? Impossible. Now, next one, what is the seal? Seal function will print immediate integer above or equal to given value, means 11. Floor means below value, seal means above value. And the next functions, Least and greatest. Already we discussed about aggregations like maximum, minimum. Minimum function executing on a column. Maximum function also executing on a column. Here, least function will find out minimum value from given values or expressions or column names. Again, least function will find out minimum value from given values or expressions, or what is the last one, column names also we can write. We can compare different column values also. From those columns it will print least value. Hold a moment, I want to give you some clarity here. It's most important. Suppose you have the salary, commission, bonus, DA, DA, HRA. Let us assume salary 1000, commission 250, bonus 2000, DA 200, DA it's 1000, HRA it's 3000. Assume that in these columns, what is the highest value? Suppose in the next record salary 1200, commission 100, bonus 25, DA 100, DA 100, HRA 4000. So again, one more record I want to take. Here 9000 is the salary, commission no commission, bonus no bonus, and TA is 500, DA is 500, and HRA is 5000. These are the three records. Assume that everyone is a column. If you want to compare these column values, in these column values, which is the minimum value in this record? What is the minimum value in this record? 200. Out of salaries and benefits to the employee, I want to find out the least value, 200. In the next record, 100. In the next record, 500. If you want to find out the highest value, here what is the highest value? HRA. Here what is the highest value? Again HRA. Here what is the highest value? 9000. From each record, means from the submitted columns, from each record, means are you comparing multiple column values together? Yes. So if you want to find out minimum value from given values or expressions or given column values, then use least. Whereas if you want to find out the highest value from the given values or expressions or column names, then use greatest. Remember, least and greatest are record level. For each record, it will print one result. Whereas max and min functions are column level. In this column, it is not comparing multiple columns. Only in one column, it is finding highest value. That is different. This is different. Okay, let me show you some example here. I am giving some values and also some expressions. 10. And if you want to find out the highest value, at the place of least, just specify greatest. We should write greatest. Next one. So this is about numeric functions under scalar category. Now we are talking about string functions. All string functions are scalar functions. All string functions are scalar functions. What is the first function? First one is ASCII. What is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In your system, in your keyboard, each and every key is having one ASCII code that if you hit that key, ASCII code will be read by the operating system, and that code will be converted into binary value. Then the operating system can understand what is the key you are typing. So what is ASCII code? It is a code developed by some standardized organization. Every character is having ASCII code value. How to print that ASCII code value? By using ASCII. ASCII within the single quotes we should write CH. Here let me find out what is okay. Let me discuss some. Select ASCII of small a, comma ASCII of small z, comma ASCII of capital A. Every character is having ASCII value. And also another one is ASCII of capital Z. Just I am printing small a ASCII value, small z ASCII value. Small a, it is a title, remember. Small z. And the last one is capital A capital Z. From Julia. Small a 97, capital small z 122, capital A 65, capital Z 90. So simple. Capital A 65 means capital B 66. Continuous. C for 67. D for 68. So you can find out ASCII value of any character. Not only this, I want to print the ASCII value of @ symbol. Next one is I want to print the ASCII value of star.
Single bracket all at a time it will work.
Come again. Single.
In single bracket only, you can search with small a, capital Z, capital Z,
No,
capital like that.
we
In single bracket.
no. Separately, we have to find out ASCII value. Only one character it will take at a time. So 64 and 42 are the ASCII values of so and so. Next one, length. How to find out length of the string? If you want to find out number of characters in the given string or number of characters in each value from the column, then we will use length function. Here, length of variable is 6. If you write length e name, you are selecting employee name and you are displaying each employee name. You are displaying each employee name length. So length of e name. Remember, in the character functions, within the brackets, if you are writing a value, this is value, this is column name. If you are writing a value, the value should be included in single quotes. If you are writing a column name within the brackets, then column name not maintained under single quotes. Be careful. Don't use single quotes for the column name, and you should use a single quote for value. So you can find out given string length as well as each value length from your column by using length function. Lower, it will convert all characters in the given string into lowercase. Upper, it will convert all characters in the given string in uppercase. Init cap, init cap, it will print given string with each beginning character as capital. So this is my string. If the string has multiple words, each word beginning character is printed as capital. This is about init cap. Now let me show you about remaining functions. What is length? How to find out length of the string? Select length of something like Oracle from Jewel. It will print length of given string. But I want to display employee names, ename comma length of ename, ename comma length of ename from emp. It will print each employee name and corresponding employee name length. Yes. Next one is, yeah. Next one is how to convert column values into lowercase. Ename from emp. These are employee names. Employee names are in which case? Capital case. I want to print all these employee names into small case. How to print? Apply lower function, lower of ename, lower of ename from emp. Then it will print all values into lowercase. Okay, so printed into lowercase. Can I convert these values again into uppercase? Yes, you can convert. See, what is the use of uppercase? Upper of, lower of, so on. So actually, only for our understandability, I am taking this example. So first, what is happening? First, lower function take employee names. Those names are converted into lowercase. Lowercase values are passed to uppercase. Then upper is converting the values again into capital case. Actually, by default, we have table employee names are capital case. You can also see the next example. Select upper of welcome to Oracle from Joel. Whatever the string you are giving, the complete string is converted into capital case. Next one is what is init cap? Initial capital. Initial capital. Init cap. It will print the given string with each word beginning character as capital. Each word beginning character as capital. So W is capital, T is capital, O is capital. Next one. Let us assume this is your string. Listen carefully. What is your string? This is your string. Welcome to Oracle. From this string, what is my requirement is, from this string, I want to print first 7 characters. Somebody wants to print first 10 characters. The other people are expecting last 6 characters. Some other people are expecting last 10 characters, or some range of characters in the middle. Hope you understand, everybody. Again, I am repeating. We have a string. From that string, I want to take certain number of characters from the beginning, some range of characters from end of the string, and some range of characters from the middle of the string. How can I take part? Some part you are taking from given string. How can I take part? We can take part of the string by using substr. It is called as a substring, one of the most important function. What is a substring? It will display substring from the given string, either from beginning of the string or from end of the string or from middle of the string. It is taking three arguments, that is given string. At the place of string you can also write column name. So first parameter is string or column name. Second parameter m, from which position you want to take, from which character you want to take. N, from this position how many number of characters you want to take. Again I am repeating, substring function is taking three parameters. First parameter either direct string value or you can also write column name. Second parameter m, it will indicate the starting position. It will indicate the from which character you want to take. N, from this position how many number of characters you want to take. Let us see. I want to take first 7 characters. This is first parameter. After first parameter, I should specify what is the beginning position. Beginning position 1. What is the, okay, from the beginning position, how many number of characters you want to take? 7. 3 parameters completed. So substring will print, a substring function will print a part of the string from the given string, either from beginning or from ending, anything. Okay, suppose if you want to print last 6 characters, you can print like this. See, don't specify any beginning position. You need last 6 characters means minus 6. Minus value means it will take from the end of the string. Here, how many parameters you are giving? Only 2 parameters. First parameter is string, second parameter is m. You are not writing n. If you don't write n, then it will print the string from this position, till the end of the line. If you don't write n value, from this position, it will print the string till the end of the line. Here, what is this position? From the end of the string, go to 6th position. This is O, 6th character. From this position, print the entire line. Means last 6 characters it will print. Next one. I am expecting from 4th character, from the beginning of the string, go to 4th character, and I need next 4 characters. See, from the beginning of the string, go to 4th character means C. From 4th character, get next 4 characters. Come. Suppose you are writing only beginning position, but you are not writing ending position. You are writing only beginning position, but you are not writing any ending position. Then from the beginning position up to end of the string, it will print. Substring is printed from beginning position till the end of the line. Why? Because you are not writing any last position. You are not specifying any last position, so that it is printing up to end of the string. Hope you understand. And so you can display a specific substring either from beginning of the string or from end of the string or from middle of the string. Suppose I want to print from C. I want to print from C. C to A. C to A. So C means fourth character. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 comma 14. 4 comma 14. Let me check. Yeah, from 4 it is taking 14 characters. But from here, how many number of characters you want to print? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 positions I want to print. Then it will print come to Vara. You can display either from beginning of the string or from end of the string or from middle of the string by using substring, one of the most important function. Okay, tomorrow we will see the rest of the part. uh, I am stopping up to substring. Tomorrow's function, beginning function, is in str. It is also most important, little bit confusing function. So tomorrow we will do about this. Yes, in this today's session, anybody having any doubts?